In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide privacy report from Safari start page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up Safari and then we need to head over to the start page. If Safari starts with some website opened, we need to tap right here at that button and then tap Add Plus to move on to the start page. If you would like to hide that privacy report warning, you need to scroll down to the very bottom, then tap at Edit, and that's where all you have to do is just toggle off privacy report, just like so. And then if we go back to the start page, we can see that privacy report is no longer showing here. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.